What if my partner takes from my idea? What if things don't stay the same? That doesn't make you paranoid, it means you're thinking ahead of the game. Partnerships start with trust and hope, but money changes plans. When big decisions hit the table, things can slip right through your hands. Write it down, make it clear, protect what matters, don't live in fear. Parents draw the line you hold, go big, go bold. Handshakes fade when stakes get high, verbal deals don't always last. If nothing's signed, if nothing's filed, a breakup can be a legal blast. Startups fight when ownership's free, when no one knows what's truly theirs. Clear IP early saves the day and keeps you out of courtroom stairs. Patents aren't about mistrust, they're about planning smart. So